Alright, we're going to do another cold start video for you. Here we got the 88 F-250 7.3 diesel non-turbo. Beast of an old truck. I pull the derby cars with it. We got a little light shining over there for us. We're going to pull a cold start. It's about 25, 26 degrees out. About 8:30 at night. You can see, show you here, we're not plugged in. Do a quick walk around here. The old beer. A little rust back here in the quarter. Let's get a little shot of the rust. A little bit there on the quarters. Got the car trailer still hooked up out in front of the garage. Fixing to go haul a suicide Lincoln with the old trailer tomorrow. And see if we can't see what we got here. Got, I don't know if we can zoom in on it or not. No, not real well. The old truck's got 114,000. And I'm gonna hand the camera off to Chris, and he's gonna put it on the exhaust for us, and we'll get a cold start. There we got the old 7.3 ticking away for us. Started pretty good today, really. Hasn't been moved in about a week. So there's that one, and we'll see if we can't keep some more coming for you.